All right. Now, for the next one, the number 3, this says Michelle bought 5 packs of crayons for $3.75. Okay, so 5 packs cost not 3, $13.75. It says here, what is the cost of a pack of crayons? A pack of crayons means one in dollars if all the packs cost the same. So I know that it costs $13.75 for 5 crayons. And we need to figure out how much for one. This is for 5 crayons. I'm just going to put C, and C represents crayons. Now, I want to know how much one, which means I divide because it's getting smaller. We want to know how much one costs, and we have how much 5 costs. So we need to divide to figure out how much one would cost. So I'm going to divide, and obviously with division, we use long division if it's not perfectly like goes into each other. 5, I can't make an equal amount of groups of 5 to get 13.75. So we're going to divide with long division, and the numerator goes inside and the denominator goes outside. All right, so now here we're going to just divide. How many times can 5 go into 13? That would be twice. And then, because I can do at least, if I look at my multiples of 5, we have 5, we have 10, 15, 20. And so if I look at the multiples of 5, I can make 2 groups of 5 to be as close as possible to 13. But obviously 13 is not a multiple of 5. So we have to subtract to figure out how much was left over. So we subtract 13 with 10 because 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so then I get 3. Now if there's a decimal here on the top, I add the decimal and I bring down the 7. Because here we can bring down the extra numbers. So 5 goes into 37. This would be 7 times because I can make at least 7 groups of 5 to be as close as possible to 37. If we look at multiples of 5, you have 20, 25, 30, and 35. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups because the next one is 40. So I subtract 7 with 35. And we get 37 minus 35, which is 2. Now we have the last one right here, which is the 5. So we're going to bring down the 5. And now 5 goes into 25 perfectly because 25 is actually a multiple of 5 if you look right here. So we're going to do 5 goes into 25 perfectly 5 times. And we subtract 5 with 25 because 5 times 5 is 25. And we get a double 0, which means we know that we are finished. So the amount for one crayon pack or pack of crayons is $2.75, which makes sense because it's smaller than $13.75.